Hey guys, and welcome to the Game Design and Programming 1 course through Virtual High School. I'm your teacher, Mr. Lupton, and this year we're going to be working on some of the fundamentals that you need to know to be a decent programmer and learn about those things in the context of game design. Certainly programmers program a lot of things other than games, and certainly people that create games have skills that transcend just creating games. So what we're going to focus on again in this course is the basics, which again will have a tilt towards that whole idea of how do I use programming to make video games. So do realize that this course isn't about playing video games or becoming a video game tester. It's really about the back end. How do you design a game? How do you write the code that creates the game? Although we don't get a whole lot into the actual ones and zeros of coding, if you will. The syntax of it is what we call it. What we focus on really in this course is the conceptual structures that you have to understand to actually become a good coder. The whole idea behind this came from a group of professors from some major universities like Duke University and Carnegie Mellon University, who realized their introduction to programming students really lacked the structured thinking skills necessary to become a decent programmer. So what they did was they broke those things up. They actually have classes at the university level that are just about how to think about things procedurally, which is really the big idea behind this course. And we're going to think about procedures as it relates to, again, creating games, so something fun for you guys. So what you're going to start with today is really coming in. Certainly you want to check your announcements if you haven't already done that to make sure that you're doing all the things that are assigned to you. And then you're going to come down into this course information block and read each one of these links that exist in here to make sure that you have all the information you need to know. Pay special attention to the discussion board participation expectations, because we will use discussion boards quite often in the game design course. So do make sure that you understand what's expected of you to get maximum points for doing those. After you review the course information, you're going to come down to the introduction activities, where you're going to show me that you know how to use some of the basic tools in Moodle. This includes sending me a message, posting to the discussion forum where I've already provided you a couple threads to respond to, updating your user profile, submitting a personal information document, and taking a course introduction quiz. After that, you have this section on Blackboard Collaborate, and actually I want you to do this piece at home to make sure your home computer connects to Blackboard Collaborate correctly. After that, you'll be off doing some other assignments for the rest of the week that are specific to the history of video games, where they came from, and hopefully by the time we get through that, you'll have a good perspective on where they're going. So it's great to have you in the class. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to throw that into one of the discussion boards that are in each unit, or if it's of a more personal nature, send me a message. But for right now, good luck with your first week, and I'll be chatting with you online soon. Thanks.